welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see your favorite latest technological data out there. And when we talk about today's video, it is all about Apple's MacBook Pro Retina A1398 out here. Yes, if we talk about this variant, then this is a quite amazing version out there. Not just because it is a MacBook series out there, but because Pro version out here involving with Retina display out there. So we can say that this is really a good version out there. Released in the mid 2015, we can say that this variant is offering quite good functionalities out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that there is a native resolution which plays a very important role, as well as colorization plays a very important role. Along with that, if you have got a display which is of Retina display, that is super amazing out there. But before that, talking about these functions, let us talk about the main things which we are going to see in this version. That is the outer structures first. When we talk about the outer structure, first thing comes out in our mind is the display, the screen size. Display we already talked about, that is Retina display out here, Retinal display out there. Along with that, you get to see LED backlit display with IPS technology inbuilt in it. Yes, you get to see IPS technology inbuilt in it with LED backlit display. So overall display is quite good, offering you great functionality, great output, great video quality. These can be seen out here. Apart from that, when we talk about the screen size of this variant, then we can see the screen size also plays a very important role. There are different variants in Mac Pro that offers you different screen sizing, varying from 13 inches to 15 inches out there. Yes, there are different versions. In MacBook Pro, if we talk about this variant, then this variant also have different versions out there, offering you 13 to 15-inch screen size out there, offering you a support system of millions of colorization. We can say that colorization is also good. Along with that, you get to have a native display or a native resolution of 2880 into 1800. Yes, or you can say 220 ppi density resolution is given out. If you have these kind of resolution, does not mean that you cannot change out this resolution. Definitely you can change out the resolution, and when we want to change out any resolution, all we have to do is change the settings out there. Yes, you can change the settings out there, and we can definitely change out that. Apart from that, you get to have a greater color granules out there, along with 300 nits brightness. Yes, the brightness out here is 300 nits brightness out there. You also get to have a 2.2 gigahertz or 2.5 gigahertz processor out there. Yes, you get to have this kind of processor inbuilt in it. But when we talk about this 2.3 gigahertz or 2.5 gigahertz processor out there, both the versions uses Intel Core i7 out here. Yes, they uses quad core Intel i7 processor out there. So depending upon the variation, depending on the size, depending on the processor, these things varies a lot. Now, when we talk about this variant, we can say that it offers 16 GB storage capacity. Yes, onboard storage capacity. If we talk about the RAM quality, if we talk about, then it offers you 16 GB. Whereas if we talk about the 2.2 gigahertz processor, if we talk about 2.2 gigahertz processor, it offers you 256 GB storage. Yes, SSD storage. If we talk about that, it is offered out 256, whereas 2.51 stores about 512 GB. So overall, if we talk about the versions, then we can say that there is a difference in the storage capacity, as well as there is a difference in the uh, processing system out there. So they differs a lot, but does not mean that they do not offer you great functionality. They both offer you a different functionality in their own perspectives. When we talk about the version, we can say that there is a difference in the weight also. Yes, you get to see the weight difference out there. The difference in the weight lies approximately from 2 to 2.04 kgs out there. Yes, the weight might be approximately 2 kgs to 2.4 or 2.04 kgs out there. Overall, if we talk about the variants, if we talk about this version, if we talk about overall functionalities, then we can say that it has got a good Intel graphics as well as Intel processor out there. Talking about the graphics out there, it has got Intel Iris Pro graphics. Yes, it has got Intel Iris Pro graphics in both the variants, whether it's 2.2 gigahertz or 2.5 gigahertz. Both of them have the same functionality. Along with that, you get to have a dual display and a video mirror out there. Yes, you also get to see a dual core display and a video monitoring out there, which helps you to check out the video inbuilt in it, or the videos you get to see. The output is quite good out there. Apart from that, there's a native mini display port, which we all know is for the eye camera inbuilt, or the eye side camera, we can say. As well as you get to have a recording possible out in various formats, that is VGA format, dual link, DVI, HDMI, or DVI format out there. So these can be also possible. But these are only possible if you have that mini display port working out there. Yes, it is possible out there. Fine. Apart from that, if we talk about the other outputs, if we talk about video outputs, if we talk about how is the videos output there, then we can say that there are different resolutions out there. You can have a support system of different resolution. Like you get to have 1080p resolution at 60 hertz. Yes, you get to have a support system of 1080p resolution at 60 hertz, whereas you get to have 3840 resolution around by 30 hertz, and 4096 resolution by 24 hertz. So these kind of resolution can be seen out. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then you get to have a 720p HD camera. Yes, you get to have this kind of a camera also. Along with that, we can say that there are ports are inbuilt in it. You get to see the ports out here, which are for the power port, display port, or you can say USB porting out there, audio input and output port out here. These can be also seen out there. A great connectivity with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is also seen, along with stereo type speakers and the jack system, which is known as audio input and output port out there. The keyboard is very good out here, having all the functional keys along with 12 functional keys and 4 arrow keys in Alter T structured out here. Apart from that, it offers you a great battery life of 9 to 11 hours working hours. Yes, you get to have a 9 to 11 hours working hours working experience on this variant. So overall, if we talk about Mac Pro Retinal A1398, we can say this variant offers you a great functionality. Now let us talk about the pricing also. And talking about the pricing, we have got a site which offers you great pricing, that is at justatclick.com. Yes, you get to have a pricing at justatclick.com at a very affordable and a reasonable rate out there. Now talking about this variant, we can say that we have got this version, and this search bar helps us to know about the variants out there. Yes, we can search our favorite versions out there. Like I'm going to type MacBook Pro. Now we have to type Retina. We can either type the full name or we can type just the half name also. So this is Apple's MacBook Pro Retina, which we were talking about. It has got a bag free in it, as well as there is a small description box offering you different offerings out there, as well as you get to see the small description out here. Along with that, you get to see that there is a condition written in the mid, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this condition also. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products are actually nothing else, but they are slightly brand new. Like if you can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar. The only difference lies out in the pathway. Otherwise, if we talk about functionality, if we talk about the functions, everything is same out here. Now, what does actually refurbished products pathway is like? When we talk about pathway, it is like there is a base, there is a mediator, then there is a consumer. You have these three things. Base is always the you can say from where we get that product. Yes, the sole owner or the pre-owner or the company, anything could be the base. Now it depends from where that product is being distributed out. So that is the base. Mediator is the place where they have been distributing, or the bridge out here. Whereas consumer is nothing else but the users or the new owners of that gadget. So this is what the three pathway includes. If we talk about brand new, then the company is the base out here. Yes, the company is the base out here, and you get to have the marketplace as a mediator. As marketplace is the mediator, whereas the consumers are none other than the users. We are the consumers out here. So this is what consumers is all about. Talking about the base, talking about mediator and consumer, we can see that refurbished product is extension of the brand new. How? Now we know that the pathway is like company, marketplace, user. This user becomes the base for the refurbished product, because refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. They have been owned by a user, so they becomes the base. Now after the base, they don't want to use this out, so they resell it in the marketplace. And now when they resell it in the marketplace, they are categorized as a refurbished, or still they are not categorized as refurbished. We can say they are categorized as a normal gadget. They are still to be conditionized out there. Now what happens there is, in this marketplace, they are pre-owned gadgets. They have to be tested, verified, checked out whether the parts are perfectly working or not. Everything has to be tested. Now once it is tested, when its testimoniality is given, it is conditionized, or we can say the condition is given to it, that is refurbished. Now the brand is refurbished and is ready to be sold again. So it is sold out on that website itself, and the new users have it. They are the consumers out there. So this is overall path, including in from brand new to refurbished. So we can say that brand new's extension is the refurbished product. Now, what are the tests which are involved in it? Yes, tests plays a very important role. And when we say tests, then we can say that there are actually two major classifications of tests, which includes like one is the external parameters and another one is the internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, if we talk about the external parameters, then we can say the external parameters are nothing else but the parameters like display, their buttons, their length, width, thickness, scratches out there. If there is a camera out there, then how is it working? Power mode out there, charging, slots out there. Everything has to be checked. If there are buttons, then buttons are intact or not. Everything has to be checked. So these are the things which are involved externally. So we can say that external parameters are nothing else but the parameters which are involved, which can be checked out through eyes, and no much gadgets are required. Yes, equipments are not required much. So we can say these are the parameters. Now, what does happen once the external parameters are verified? We can say that once external parameters are verified, these go to the internal parameters. What are the internal parameters? Let us talk about them also. These internal parameters includes the internal paths, the internal small elements which are used out in that. And they cannot be just checked with our eyes or a small things out there. They need proper equipments. And these equipments verify about the testimoniality of them. These includes like if it is using any operating system, what kind of operating system is this? Like Windows, Mac is using iOS, Mac OS, or any kind of operating system out there. The processor it uses, if there are charging slots, then how is the charging slot working or not, USB is working or not out there, the internal points are working properly or not, the connectivity is giving proper or not, every single thing internally we talk about everything, like the storage capacity out there, the internal capacities out there, RAM quality out there, everything has to be checked and verified out there. So this is a must known thing for checking any refurbished products. And once these products are checked, these products are verified, we can say that external and internal parameters are verified, then they are given a certificate. These products are classified, or we can say conditionized as certified refurbished products. Yes, they are conditioned or are said as refurbished products. Now, talking about these refurbished products, what do they offer? They actually offer you good quality of products, good services out there. But once we check out these products, they are verified. What if the condition says that some parts are not working properly? Yes, some parts are not working good. It is missing out there. So they have to be replaced with the original parts out there. Yes. No duplicate parts or not any other part out there. They are actually replaced by the ओरिजिनल पार्ट्स फ्रॉम द कंपनी इटसेल्फ। ये जो कंपनी रिलीज करती है मार्केट में वो उनसे ही रिप्लेस किया जाता है। So this is also an additional point to the refurbished products. And if they cannot be replaced, then the product is not brought in the market. Yes, that it is not brought back in the market out there. So you can say that there are no fake or unknown parts, there are original parts out there. Now when we talk about these products, then we can say that it offers you premium quality out here, now offering you good quality products. It is offering you great functionality. Structurality is also good. But what are the major advantages involved in refurbished products over brand new? Definitely, brand new products offer you great offerings that you're the first one to use that product, you're the first person. But refurbished products also have some advantages, like they offer you pocketable rates out there. Yes, they offer you pocketable rates. Now, what does this mean? This means that once a gadget is pre-owned, then the market price of that gadget, that particular gadget which was pre-owned, is reduced. Yes, that is reduced, and you get to have that gadget in your pocketable rates. So that's also an advantage thing out there. And if you have got pocketable rates, then you can save. Yes, you get to save a great saving. How you save? Like we know that refurbished products are pocketable rates and brand new products are slightly expensive. So there is a difference in the pricing. So you get to save a great saving out there. Apart from that, if we talk about the warranty period, brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, but refurbished products also offer you 6 months warranty. So this is quite exciting that if we talk about any pre-owned gadget, then they are usually not having any warranty period. But if a condition is mentioned as refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with 70 exchange policy. Yes, 70 exchange policy can also be seen out there. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product. So these can be checked out on any websites or out there. So let us go back to the website we were talking about. So we were talking about justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com. And when we talk about this website, then we can say it offers a great offering out there. Your favorite products in your pocketable rates out there. As well as when we talk about this website, then we can say that it offers you COD. Yes, COD is there. Along with that, free home delivery out there, money back guarantee also there. So you get to have your favorite laptops, your favorite PCs, your favorite gadgets out there in pocketable rates and in a hassle-free manner. So you can check out this website. The website link has been given in the description box. You can check it out. Or on Google, you can type justatclick.com. The search bar helps you to search your favorite gadget out there, favorite points out there in a very limited time. Or you can check out the category out here mentioned for your favorite gadgets out there. So you can definitely check out. And if we talk about the shipping timing, then it takes 48 hours shipping timing in most parts of UAE, whereas in Saudi it might take up to a week. For best pricing, visit out the website, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.